Hello, good morning friends. So I was not able to make video yesterday because I was sick. And in the weekend actually we have done some real life job interviews. So you could see those videos and it will help you to understand how the real life interview to take place. Moreover, please, if you are new on this channel, please make sure to subscribe and click on the bell button for the notification for the new programming videos. So for today's programming problem, we have taken a ticket number problem, and it says that ticket number is usually an even number of digits, and a ticket number is lucky if the first half of the digit is equal to the second half of the digits. So as you can see in this question, that if 1 plus 2 and 3 plus 0 have the same number, then they will be considered lucky. So 1 plus 2 equal to 3 and 3 plus 0 is also equal to 3. So this number is lucky. But in this case, the 2 plus 3 plus 9 has a sum which is not equal to 0 plus 1 plus 7, which is equal to 8. So that's why IsLucky is false. Okay, so we need to create this program. To create this program, we will take three steps in mind. The first step will be to convert this into a string, because it is difficult to find the center. For a string, it is very easy to find the center. So we'll convert this into a string. Then we will find the center. Then we will slice it into two parts. One which is this side and one which is this side. And then calculate the two sums separately and then check if the two sums are equal. So for this, we'll go to the Visual Studio. First thing we need to do is to convert into a string. So that is pretty simple. We are doing this problem in Python. So number is equal to list, then simply str, then n. So I am doing this because I am directly converting into a list, which I feel it is rather easy than also a string, because a list will have commas and we can differentiate the sum very easily. And then to find the center, you just need to calculate the length of number. Then we will use float division and 2. Okay, so this is float division. And to create result 1, we can use a function known as sum underscore list, which I will create. So I am sending here the list, which is from 0 to center, and the other one is result 2 is equal to same, but the slicing will change to end. So it will not from 0, it will from center to the end of list. Now we'll create a function def sum list. What this function will do, this function will just to take the sum of this list and pretty much return it, and will not do much. So we will call it number. Okay, so when n is equal to 0, this is a variable, counter variable, because I am going to use a while loop. Then sum list. Okay, so other thing which I can do if I don't want to do this is equal to return sum, then number. So this will work because sum is a function which take a list and return the sum of it, and this should work fine. And this is a sum list. Okay, then if we need to check if result 1 is equal to result of 2, I think I have taken the spelling wrong. Yeah, and now it is correct. Then what should we do? Return true. Else return false. So this is the simple thing we need to do. Now we'll check the program, it works fine. I'm using Anaconda prompt to run this Python program. So Python IsLucky. Why? It says that, okay, yeah. So now the problem is that the number is actually a string of list. So in this number list, every number is a string, which is not an integer. So we can't just convert directly into a sum. We can't sum the strings. So what we will do here is we will do a pretty simple thing. We will do a while loop as we are going to do before. So n is equal to 0. Then sum of number is equal to 0. Then while n is less than the length of list. I can use element wise loop as well, but I prefer to use while loop because I feel that this is easy to do. I don't know why. Then plus equal to, then we just have to use int number, because we need to convert every number into an integer before returning it. That's why the issue was there before. And the one more thing, please make sure that this can be done in various loop. You can use for loop, you can use range based loop, you can use for each loop, and the while loop. So this can be done. It depends on you how you do it, but this is my way of doing it. So now we are getting also an error that object is type of no length. Okay, yeah. I'm sorry for these errors. What I have given. Yeah, obviously. If I give here list, then obviously it will never take number and equal to n to increment them. Yeah. So I think it will work now. False. So it is showing false. Let's see why it is showing false, because it should show true here. Because we have given 1 2 3 4. No, it is a false statement. So now if we give 0 here, it is a false, because before we have given 1 2 3 4. So 3 plus 4 equal to 7, 1 plus 2 equal to 3. So obviously this number is not lucky for us. Then we will do 1 2 3 and it will now shrink. So this is the question. This is the solution to our question, which we are looking for. And if you have better solution, and if you have any problem with the solution, do let me know. And thank you, and see you in the next video.